Exercise 1, the Y-buzz siren. The Y-buzz is the sensation of the E sound as a buzz or vibration on the gum ridge. Right here on the gum ridge, right above the front teeth, you feel a little buzz of the E there. Concentrate on feeling the vibration of a pure E sound on the roof of the mouth, just above the front teeth on the gum ridge. E, E, E. You should be able to feel vibration in the teeth as well as on the gum ridge. E, 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 E. And let your lips pout forward a little bit. E, like that. That helps focus the sound waves right onto the gum ridge. E. Very good. Now, siren up in pitch. E, E. Siren up and siren down. E, E. E. Siren down. E. Up again. E, E. When you siren up, you'll feel the vibration move from the gum ridge up to a little bit higher, right? A little bit higher up on the roof of the mouth. As you siren down, you'll feel the vibration moving back down onto the gum ridge, just above the teeth. And you may feel the teeth themselves vibrating a little. E, 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 E. So do that little pout, E, E, the Y-buzz lip position, and siren up. E, E. Now let's do it more gradually, a slow siren up. Then we'll take a breath and siren down. E, E. And go back down into that little lip position, that little pout when you get in the low pitch. Once again, E, E. You feel that little arc of vibration going back on the roof of the mouth and then coming back down again. It makes a little arc there. Once again, E, 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 E. Once again, E, E. Good. All right. The word list for the Y initial position. Hold each of these Y sounds for at least 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Now that's longer than you think it is. E, yellow. E-u. E-yard. E-yell. E-yield. E-yes. E-use. Now repeat those words, hold, or a better word is sustain the Y for 1 second. E-yellow, E-u, E-yard, E-yell, E-yield, E-yes, E-use. Now repeat that list again, sustaining the Y just long enough to feel the vibration. Yellow, you, yard, yell, yield, yes, use. Good. Stage 1. Year,
yet, yam, yell, yacht, yank, young, your, yield, yoke, yawn, yen. Stage 2. Year, yet, yam, yell, yacht, yank, young, your, yield, yoke, yawn, yen. Stage 3. Year, yet, yam, yell, yacht, yank, young, your, yield, yoke, yawn, yen.
The Y list, final position. Now these are strong but short in the final position. So the first time through, sustain the Y for 1 second. Happy, angry, hungry, thirsty, city, ready. Repeat, sustaining the Y just long enough to feel the vibration. Happy, angry, hungry, thirsty, city, ready. Short but strong.
Story, galley, yearly, crazy, pretty, handy, juicy, spooky. Story, galley, yearly, crazy, pretty, handy, juicy, spooky. Loyal, beyond, value, amuse, canyon, onion, million, familiar. Loyal, beyond, value, amuse, canyon, onion, million, familiar.
The Y sentences. First time through, hold the Y for 1 second. I'm hungry and thirsty, and I'm not happy. I'm ready to yield to this city. Yes, I yelled across the yard. I'm angry that you used my yellow car. Repeat, sustaining the Y just long enough to feel the vibration. I'm hungry and thirsty, but I'm not happy. I'm ready to yield to this city. Yes, I yelled across the yard. I'm angry that you used my yellow car. The slower drills get you in the habit of feeling these sounds. The faster drills carry over this feeling into your conversational speech.
Stage 1. The value of the yield is beyond 1,000,000 yen yearly. Stage 2. The value of the yield is beyond 1,000,000 yen yearly. Stage 3. The value of the yield is beyond 1,000,000 yen yearly. Stage 1. Yesterday, the loyal young soldier told a spooky story. Stage 2. Yesterday, the loyal young soldier told a spooky story. Stage 3. Yesterday, the loyal young soldier told a spooky story. Stage 1. I was familiar with your pretty canyon, yet I gave a crazy yell to amuse you. Stage 2. I was familiar with your pretty canyon, yet I gave a crazy yell to amuse you. Stage 3. I was familiar with your pretty canyon, yet I gave a crazy yell to amuse you. Stage 1. Go into the handy galley of the yacht and mix the egg yolk with the yam and juicy onion. Stage 2. Go into the handy galley of the yacht and mix the egg yolk with the yam and juicy onion. Stage 3. Go into the handy galley of the yacht and mix the egg yolk with the yam and juicy onion.